Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a very quick one. We are just doing a eye look tutorial. I am using the MAC Connect in Color in Burgundy to do it, and what I created today was just a very nice, easy, sultry, smoky eye. So hopefully you guys love today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's just get into it. I already have my eyes primed. Now, like I said, we're going to use the Color and Connect eyeshadow in Burgundy. And I'm going to start off with the brown shade right here. I'm going to take a small brush like this. This is the M562 brush. And I'm going to start placing that brown all over the lid. We are going to be doing a smoky eye. So I'm going to start building this up on my lid. And what I'm also going to do is almost look forward, because I do have hooded eyes, and start placing this a little bit above my crease so that it can peek through even with my eyes open. Now I'm going to switch over to a JH32 brush. And we are going to go in with this mauve shade right here. It's like a dusty mauve purple. And this one's a more fluffier brush. I'm just going to start putting that all over the crease. I'm going to go back in with that first brush with a little bit of that brown and just keep blending. Now, just to add a little bit of pop, I'm going to take this color right here, and I like to place that right here in the center, just keeping it in the center. I feel like it helps add a little pop. Now, what's really going to help this eye look is a black liner. So I'm taking the 24/7 liquid stick by Urban Decay in Melted Onyx, and this is a very intense black, but I really like that, and I feel like it just goes well with what we're doing. Then I also like to run this a little bit on the waterline. It's gonna take any excess and help smudge it a little bit. I'm gonna go in also with some of this shade right here and just hit the bottom. Then I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes, and that should be the look. Really nice, simple, easy. And this is the finished look. Hopefully you guys love it. Let me know down below what other videos you guys want to see. See you guys on my next video. Bye guys.